Oh,
Did
okay,
you want to
Cowboy.
do this?
My bad.
No, I meant dancing. All right, here we go. Good. So I'm Wes. I have Allison with me. This is Election Cowboy on Sunday. And in the first workshop, Let's Go Swing workshop, we explored a inside whip to different finishes, right? So we went 1 feet together, up and over 2 to the inside, prepping her 3, and I'm going to step across beyond her foot 4, so she's kind of stepping in between my feet. I'm going to turn to the right 5. I'm going to let her out 6, 7, and 8. And then we did that with an inside finish, an outside finish, behind the back finish, and a release of free turn. 2, 3, and 4. On the outside finish, I'm going to go up 5. I'm going to take it to the other side of her head on 4 and then let her finish 5 and 6 because you must take hold of her head. Don't expect her to turn under this thing. She can do it, but you don't expect them all to do it. You need to take that spin lead to the other side of her head. Okay? So then there was an inside finish, 1, 2, 3, and 4 down the line 5. Bring your left hand close to you, turn it over like a right side pass, and then step to your left 6. And then you're going to anchor 7 and 8. We're behind the back. 1, 2, 3, and we'll do it from the other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I had it right in the first place. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go 5. And by the word 5, you should already between 4 and 5, you're going to go down behind up touch. So it'll be 4 and 5. She will turn, and you'll take it down immediately on 6, and let her anchor 7 and 8. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, down 6, 7, and 8. Right? Then we did a free turn. Right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4, like a championship frisbee. You're going to very like 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your step to 5 will be all we need. You need to turn. Don't add more to it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5. Keep your touch. 7 and 8. Right? Nice. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. We're going to turn it over to Blaine for a couple of songs. We'll come back and we'll have more for you. Thank you.